The Diabetes Diet. Creating a healthy diabetic eating plan. Living with diabetes requires careful attention to what you eat and how it affects your blood sugar levels. A well-planned diabetic diet plays a crucial role in managing diabetes effectively and minimizing complications. This comprehensive guide aims to provide you with everything you need to know about creating a healthy diabetic eating plan. From understanding the basics of carbohydrates to practical tips for meal planning and delicious recipes, this article will empower you to take charge of your diet and your health. Chapter 1. Understanding diabetes and nutrition. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition where the body either cannot produce enough insulin, type 1 diabetes, or cannot use insulin effectively, type 2 diabetes. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar, glucose, levels in the body. When insulin function is impaired, blood sugar levels can rise too high, leading to various health complications over time. The role of nutrition in diabetes management. Nutrition plays a crucial role in managing diabetes because the foods you eat directly impact your blood sugar levels. A well-balanced diet helps control blood glucose, maintain a healthy weight, and prevent or delay complications associated with diabetes such as heart disease and nerve damage. Chapter 2. Key components of a diabetic diet. Understanding carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, carbs, have the most significant impact on blood sugar levels compared to proteins and fats. When you eat carbs, they break down into glucose, raising blood sugar levels. Managing carb intake is essential for blood sugar control. Types of carbohydrates. 1. Simple carbohydrates, found in sugars like table sugar, honey, and fruit juices. 1. They are quickly absorbed and can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. 2. Complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. 2. They provide more sustained energy and have a gentler effect on blood sugar levels. Glycemic index, GI. The glycemic index measures how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood sugar. Foods with a low GI are digested more slowly, causing a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Choosing foods with a low or moderate GI can help manage blood sugar levels effectively. Chapter 3. Creating your diabetic meal plan. Planning balanced meals. A balanced diabetic meal includes a combination of 1. Complex carbohydrates, whole grains, legumes, vegetables. 2. Lean proteins, chicken, turkey, fish, tofu. 3. Healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil. Portion control. Controlling portion sizes helps manage calorie intake and blood sugar levels. Using tools like measuring cups, spoons, and food scales can aid in portion control until you develop a good sense of portion sizes. Meal timing. Eating regular meals and snacks spaced evenly throughout the day can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Aim for 3 meals and 1 to 3 snacks daily, depending on your individual needs and preferences. Chapter 4. Practical tips for dining out and social occasions. Dining out. Plan ahead. Check the restaurant menu online in advance. 1. Make substitutions. Ask for steamed vegetables instead of fries or whole grains instead of white rice. 2. Control portions. Consider sharing a dish or asking for a takeout container to portion your meal before you start eating. 3. Social occasions. Bring a dish. Offer to bring a diabetic-friendly dish to potlucks or parties. 1. Be mindful of alcohol. Alcohol can affect blood sugar levels and should be consumed in moderation and with food. 2. Chapter 5. Managing special dietary needs. Vegetarian or vegan diets. With careful planning, vegetarian and vegan diets can be healthy choices for individuals with diabetes. Ensure adequate protein intake from sources like tofu, tempeh, legumes, and nuts. Gluten-free diets. If you have both diabetes and celiac disease or gluten intolerance, focus on naturally gluten-free whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Avoid processed gluten-free products high in sugars and fats. Chapter 6. Delicious and diabetic-friendly recipes. Breakfast. 1. Whole grain blueberry pancakes, made with whole wheat flour and topped with fresh berries. 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer low-fat Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Lunch. 1. Quinoa and black bean salad. A protein-packed salad with quinoa, black beans, vegetables, and a light vinaigrette. 2. Grilled chicken wrap. Whole wheat wrap filled with grilled chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, and avocado. Dinner. 1. Baked salmon with quinoa pilaf. Oven-baked salmon served with a side of quinoa pilaf and steamed vegetables. 2. Vegetable stir-fry. Colorful mix of stir-fried vegetables with tofu or lean protein over brown rice. Snacks. 1. Apple slices with peanut butter. Crunchy apple slices paired with a dollop of natural peanut butter. 2. Yogurt with berries. Low-fat yogurt topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Chapter 7. Physical activity and diabetes management. Benefits of exercise. Regular physical activity can help lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and maintain a healthy weight. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, spread across several days. Exercise tips. 1. Start slowly. Begin with activities you enjoy and gradually increase intensity and duration. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink water before, during, and after exercise to stay hydrated. 3. Monitor blood sugar. Check your blood sugar before and after exercise, especially if you take insulin or medications that can cause hypoglycemia. Chapter 8. Monitoring and managing blood sugar levels. Blood glucose monitoring. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels helps you understand how food, physical activity, medications, and stress affect your blood sugar levels. Follow your healthcare provider's recommendations for testing frequency and targets. Recognizing and managing high, low blood sugar. Know the signs and symptoms of hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, and hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Have a plan in place for treating these conditions, including carrying fast-acting carbohydrates like glucose tablets or juice. Chapter 9. Seeking support and resources. Diabetes education programs. Many hospitals and healthcare facilities offer diabetes education programs led by certified diabetes educators, CDEs. These programs provide valuable information and support for managing diabetes effectively. Support groups. Joining a diabetes support group can connect you with others who understand what you're going through. Sharing experiences, tips, and emotional support can be invaluable on your diabetes journey. Chapter 10. Staying motivated and setting goals. Setting realistic goals. Set achievable goals for healthy eating, physical activity, and blood sugar control. Start with small changes and celebrate your successes along the way. Celebrating progress. Recognize and celebrate your progress, whether it's achieving a healthier weight, improving blood sugar levels, or mastering a new healthy recipe. Positive reinforcement helps maintain motivation and commitment. Conclusion. Embracing a healthy lifestyle with diabetes. Managing diabetes through diet and lifestyle changes requires dedication and perseverance, but it is within your reach. By understanding how different foods affect your blood sugar, planning balanced meals, staying active, and monitoring your health, you can lead a full and active life while effectively managing your diabetes. Remember, small changes add up to significant improvements in your overall well-being. With the right knowledge and support, you can create a diabetic eating plan that works for you and enjoy delicious meals that support your health and happiness. In summary, the key to a successful diabetes diet lies in knowledge, planning, and a positive attitude. By making informed choices and taking proactive steps, you can take control of your diabetes and live life to the fullest.